The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello standard children, I hope you all are fine, and I also hope that you are now thorough with the first lesson. So last class I finished teaching the first lesson. Last class also you happened to meet Bindu teacher, isn't it? So we both hope that all the concepts are now clear. Now what is remaining in this is questions to be discussed at the back of the lesson. So there are 4 questions to be discussed in let us assess. Now before I go to that questions, let me tell you there are 2 key elements in science. First is curiosity and second is understanding the concepts. Okay, you can't just by heart everything. You can't by heart the concepts. If you by heart the concepts, the foundation will be very weak. Okay, what is foundation? Foundation means ഒരു വീട് കെട്ടുമ്പോൾ അടിത്തറ എന്ന് പറയില്ലേ. Houses are built on foundation. First the foundation is built and over that the building comes up or the house comes up. So a strong foundation ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആ വീടും strong ആയിരിക്കും. That house can withstand all the pressures. I mean weather conditions, difficult weather conditions. കാറ്റ്, വെയിൽ, മഴ എല്ലാം ആ വീടിന് withstand ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. But if the foundation is weak, what happens? You may add good cement or good bricks for your house, but the foundation is weak, the house may collapse. Similarly, children, if the base or the concepts are not clear, if your foundation is weak, the building that comes up or the life that is going to come out after your education is over, will that be strong, children? No. So please don't by heart, at least in science, okay. Other subjects too, by hearting is not that good. Try to understand the inner meaning, inner concept. That will give you good results in the long run. Okay. Now, first class, what did I teach you? It was about edible parts of the plant. Then I taught you about pigments and the colors they produce in leaves and flowers. Then it was about balance of gases. Then in the 3rd class it was about classification of plants based on nutrition. Then weak stem plants. Then diversity in roots. Then the importance of trees. Then you learnt about storage roots and underground stems. Okay, so I hope the lesson is clear, but still if you have any doubts you can call me. Now 4 questions are there as I told you before. Shall I discuss the first question now? Okay. Look at the board. Look at the first question. The first question is, classify the plants given below on the basis of suitable criteria. Criteria means condition. What are the plants given below? Mango tree, Loranthus, mushroom, Cuscuta, Paddy, Monotropa, Sandalwood tree, Rafflesia, Neottia and Vanda. Isn't it? Now, what will be the answer? See, in the file you have to write all the 4 questions. What will be the answer to this question? Now listen to the answer. First one. The criteria is nutrition, the way they absorb food. Okay, so mango tree is an autotroph. You have to write mango tree autotroph. Loranthus will be semi-parasite. Mushroom will be saprophyte. Cuscuta, total parasite. Paddy, autotroph. Monotropa, saprophyte. Sandalwood tree, autotroph. Rafflesia, total parasite. Neottia, saprophyte. Vanda is an epiphyte. Remember, I taught you about all this. So first, you have to example. First one was mango tree. So you have to write mango tree. Put a dash and write here autotroph. Okay. So similarly, you can write all other plants too. Is it clear, children? Now the second question. I'll read it out for you. Loranthus, Vanda and Cuscuta, growing on nearby trees, started talking about their shelter and food habit. What would each one have to say? Try to write yourself. The question is about Loranthus, Vanda, Cuscuta. അവരടുത്തടുത്ത മരത്തിൽ വളരുന്നവരാണ്. അവർ മൂന്ന് പേരും കാണുമ്പോൾ എന്തായിരിക്കും അവരുടെ conversation. This you have to do it by yourself. So, for example, I'll tell you first what Loranthus will say. You can use your own imagination. Loranthus will say, "Hi Vanda, how are you? I came to know that you are an epiphyte because your roots have the ability to absorb water from the atmosphere." So Vanda will say, "Yes, I have that ability. But Loranthus, you are absorbing water and minerals from the host plant and then you are preparing food." So this can be your own imagination. You have to write it by yourself. So the conversation, Loranthus, Vanda and Cuscuta, what they are speaking. Okay? I hope you can do it. You can write it. You can write it in your own words. Use your imagination. Clear, children? Okay. Now the third question. According to Raju, listen carefully. According to Raju, the functions of the root are only to fix the plants in the soil and absorb water and minerals. How will you respond to his opinion? Raju റൂട്ടിൻ്റെ ഫങ്ഷൻസ് എന്താ വെച്ചാൽ ജസ്റ്റ് പ്ലാന്റ്സിനെ സോയിൽ ഫിക്സ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് വെള്ളവും മിനറൽസും എടുക്കുക. അപ്പോൾ രാജു ഇങ്ങനെ പറയുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ റെസ്പോൺസ് എന്തായിരിക്കും ടുവേർഡ്സ് ഹിസ് ഒപ്പീനിയൻ? എന്തായിരിക്കും? വാട്ട് വിൽ യു സേ ടു രാജു? രാജു, വാട്ട് യു ആർ സേയിങ് ഈസ് കറക്റ്റ് എന്നാണോ പറയുക? ഇത്ര ടീച്ചർ ലെസൺ പഠിപ്പിച്ചിട്ട് വാട്ട് വിൽ യു സേ? സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് യു വിൽ സേ, you will write in a file as Raju, roots give support to the plant also. It's not only absorbing water and minerals. Roots support the plant, for example, prop roots, stilt roots. You can write them. Okay, then you can say roots also store food. Then you can tell about roots, breathing roots called nematophores in mangroves that grow in coastal regions. They also help in gaseous exchange. They come above the water for gaseous exchange. Okay, will you write this answer? I'll read out the answer. This file is of one of my students whom I have taught before. Okay, so she has written, Raju, roots also give support to plants. Example, prop roots, stilt roots. Roots can also store food. Roots in mangroves, called as nematophores, can exchange gases. You can add if you want, if you wish. Okay? Understood? Now can I move on to the fourth question? What is the fourth question? While conducting an experiment on photosynthesis, Sajeesh pasted a black paper on a leaf of a plant in his courtyard. Courtyard is Monotropa, as seen in the picture. What would have prompted him to do so? So while conducting an experiment on photosynthesis, Sajeesh pasted a black paper on a leaf of a plant in his courtyard as seen in the picture, what would have prompted him to do so? Sajeesh പറഞ്ഞൊരു കുട്ടി ലീഫിൻ്റെ മേലെ ഒരു പോർഷനിൽ ബ്ലാക്ക് പേപ്പർ ഒട്ടിച്ച് വെച്ചു. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് ആ കുട്ടി അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്തത്? What do you think will be your answer to this question? Answer what the student has written as. Of course, I dictated this answer to them. Sajeesh pasted a black paper on the leaf only to test whether that particular place can prepare food without the sunlight falling on it. I'll repeat the answer. Sajeesh pasted a black paper on the leaf only to test whether that particular place on the leaf can prepare food without sunlight falling on it. This is the answer. ആ ഇരയുടെ മുകളിലുള്ള ബ്ലാക്ക് പേപ്പർ വെച്ച പോർഷനിൽ സൺലൈറ്റ് വീഴുന്നില്ല. അപ്പോൾ ഫുഡ് ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പറ്റും ഇല്ല. You know, for photosynthesis, what are the ingredients required? Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, isn't it? Remember about stomata? Stomata absorb all these gases, give out gases. So my dear children, here the first lesson is over. I have discussed the 4 questions also given behind. But there are many questions where the answers will be as such, which will give you a better idea of the whole lesson itself. Okay, now those questions I shall be forwarding it to your class teachers through WhatsApp. You can take it from them and you can write question and the answer below. Then move on to the next question, write the answer below. And if you feel that you know this, you have a textbook with you, if you feel that your marking is better, it's okay. But for those children who don't have textbooks, I think I will send you the questions. All the answers were discussed by me in the previous videos. Clear? So you have all the answers with you. Questions I will be giving you. And these 4 questions I have discussed the answers. Now, if you have any doubts further, you can call me. Please don't hesitate. Clear? Now the next lesson is life-giving water. So the name itself, from the name itself you know that water is life. Can we live without water? Think. You must be able to tell the importance of water. Think about it, children. As I told you, science is all about curiosity, understanding, thinking, imagining. Not only science, you have to work hard in all the subjects. So it was a great pleasure taking video classes. Though you were not in front of me, I was not meeting you in person, I believe that you are in front of me. And I thank God for doing the maximum, to the best that I could. I hope the first lesson is clear, and I assure you that all the lessons ahead will be very easy. It will be made easy by us. Okay? So this is all from me today. Take care of your health. See you in the next class. This is the teacher saying bye. Thank you.